Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're doing another Lego Polybag. And this one is Polybag 7452. This is the Racers Le Mans. And I gotta tell you, looking at it right now, there's a lot of green on it. It's looking kind of cool. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I'm doing one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And I've also done a bunch of them already. So I think we're creeping up on almost 6 months now. So I think we're on 173. So we're 7 away from 6 months. So anyway, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon as well as on Bricklink. And there's also a link to where you can find this set on Brickset if you just want information about the set itself. Now, I was a little worried when I was looking at this at first, because I was thinking there might be stickers in here, and I'm not I don't put stickers on Legos. I like printed pieces, but I'm not gonna sticker my Legos. I feel like, I don't know why, it's always bothered me though. Like, the whole putting a sticker on a Lego bugs me. I don't mind if they come printed that way, like printed that way, but I don't want to apply a sticker to it. That's probably just me being weird. There we go. Alright. So far, this is the third or fourth racer of the Racer series that I've done, and I've really liked these so far. They're really kind of cool. Alright. They don't use a lot of pieces. I mean, these seem like they're about, 30, 40, 50 pieces in that range. Probably closer to 40. But they do seem to have a lot of, like, you get a lot of bang for the buck with them. Alright. You get it just seems like there's a lot to them. Like so. And but these have been fun little sets to put together for sure. Alright. So what we want now is we need a couple of these little cheese wedges. I guess I just kind of got to pick my direction, huh? So cheese wedge, and then cheese wedge, and then this is going to mean the clear 1x1 and the clear 1x1. And then 2 gray pieces. 2 gray 1x1s, one going here, and then one here, and then this gets us the side pieces. See, don't these look like, these things, they don't look like they're this big when you're looking at the actual, like the thing. Oh, cool. Can y'all see that? It's like a metallic silver, one of these little grates. So let's see, make sure I line it up all right. Lines up right there. All right, so that takes care of that, and I'm gonna just stick this in because I know it's coming. And this goes right here, like so. Maybe like so. It's trying to escape. I guess like so. Alright, so we got that. Now what we gotta do, pop these on. So that, and like that. And then ooh. Am I missing a piece? I'm missing a piece, I think. Oh crap. I think I am missing a piece. Y'all didn't see it. Oh! I'm not missing a piece. I just put it in the wrong place. Mah. Foolish me. Okay. There we go. It shouldn't have gone in the back. I got all wrapped up in what went where. Alright. So we got that. We got that. So we stick the sides on. Put this side on right here. And this side on right here. And then so these are going to go like so. Oh. These go right here. Then this goes right in front of it. And then we got the little airfoil thing. And then add wheels. See, like, that's a really quick, really nifty little car. And you have this. That's cool. I like that. That's a neat one. And it's really a quick, little, fun kind of car to play with. Extra pieces wise, you end up with these. What do y'all think? I'm liking these little racer sets. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.